Good morning folks, today's going to be a productive day, I can feel it. I've begun to realise that leaving the wellies at the farm makes more sense. Otherwise the car just smells a big poo all the time. We're going to be hopefully putting together the pig house that I've made. We've got all the components. We've got the insulated panels that were left over. We've got the sides and the kind of bracing that we cut and designed last week. Hopefully now we've got some flat concrete, we can build it and then we can tow it out into the fields. That's the lid off the pig food. Morning, girl. Hello. Wait, wait. Seriously? Get out of it! No. You rebel. Right, that's all the animals fed. First up, I'm going to finish trimming this fence line all the way along here. It's got another load of trees to plant. What I'm doing is trimming everything down to normal level and then really gouging out where we're going to plant these trees. We're going one on every post pretty much and one in the middle. You see I just scalped down to soil level. And the next job is to take the tractor out and get the last few strips done of the mowing. I'm not going to do like whole fields or anything like that, just want to do the perimeters, especially where we're going to be staking and putting out electric fencing. Right, next job of the day is going to be to mow the perimeter of 5 acre hill. All along the fence line here, we're actually going to be putting in a new stock fence all the way around. For now, we're going to be using electric fencing. We've got to get sheep out and we've got to get them here fairly soon. The grass is coming in and it's really growing quick. Quick camera change. Now Joe and I are going to set out the first of our mini pig pens for Operation Veg Garden. We're going to move Matilda up just for a day release, and then once the pig arts are finished, they'll be up here permanently. Keep close to her so she knows you got it. Well done, Mummy and Mummy Pig.
Is that good, Natty?
Right, Pig's content and not going anywhere. I've swapped over the mower, so Joe's going to head over, start collecting logs. Yeah, so if you do need four-wheel drive to get up, it's that orange one you lift up and twist. Pretty sure Jo has decided not to change gear because she's enjoying her alone time. Let's see if she can get over without slipping. Go on, go on. Straight up. Of course I'll take all credit because I did all the prep work last week, right? And then the sun came out and dried it up. Alright, well I got all my trees in. Just got to get some water on them. And Joe's all loaded up down there. Here she comes, Lumber Joe.
Lovely, Faye.
I thought I don't want to put too much paint on there.
I'm going to just go and tip out our logs. This is about half of what we cut last week. There's some really big rounds down there to still collect. Unfortunately, we've got giant chassis blocking up the bottom yard. So all we're going to do is just going to tip them over there in the corner. Really hot because it's just all concrete and south facing and it's fairly protected. So they'll be all right there for a few weeks until we get around to processing and chopping them and splitting them.
Oh, you meant to do that?
Yeah. Right, logs done. What else is on our chore list? Pigs. We've got to get Matilda back in her house. Fancy helping? She's fast asleep. Oh, she's getting up. Hey, girl.
Hello.
Right, let's hope she hasn't eaten too much grass, so otherwise she won't want her food. Yeah. Come on. It's all off.
You can whack her. Like
Come on. Yeah, can you fill that out for me? And then the final thing I managed to get done today whilst the girls were painting the bridge timbers. So we've now put together my makeshift, well it's not a makeshift, this is going to last for years, I'm certain of it. So at the front here I'm going to panel. I just haven't decided where the door is going to be, and for now it should be fine. We're going to turn it away from the rain, prevailing wind anyway. We can just have it open fronted. So we've got Insulated panels are all in. I've just put a timber top and bottom, and then I use up the offcuts just to give a bit of racking prevention, a couple of braces. And what I was going to do is at the front here I've put a solid post. I was going to do one on the back corner, but I don't really need to do that. All I'm going to do is eventually, when I put a new order in for roofing, I'll just get some L trims and that'll screw into there and there. And that wraps up another day on Hodgepodge Farm. I'm exhausted. I can't even think back to what we've done today, but it seems like it's been a mixed bag and we've done all right. Next job, tomorrow's job, another family day on the farm. We are going to try and get a bunch of things done. I want to see if we can get the fencing over there ready for the sheep, whenever that they might appear, I don't know, but just so everything is there. We need to run water along this fence line. We've got a trough up in this top corner where the pig was today. When I run a water line overground just on those fence posts all the way down. We get a roof on that pig house because we're going to try and get all the pigs out on grass tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed that one. Like I said, bit of a mixed bag today, but yeah, good to find some jobs that we can do as a family. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.